Hi Langga, make the day! Ayun, June 25 is your birthday. So, unang-una ay babatiin kita ng happy birthday Langga, make the day or Ansel Jumeras. So, yun, ang lagi ko lang pinagdadasal ay maging maganda ang iyong pangatawan, good health, at higit sa lahat, at more blessing to come, at yun nga, at pagpalain tayo ng puong may kapal, at yun, maging physically fit, syempre ang ating capital ay ating katawan, hindi ba para makapagtrabaho tayo ng maayos. At yun, at malakas, at pagiging malakas sa pangatawan. So yun, happy birthday Langga, make the day. So ito ang cheers tayo, Langga, amigo. Nakakagat na ako ng isa. So itong aking breakfast for today. So cheers! Cheers tayo, karak and putlong. Ayan o. Pangalawang kagat sa'yo, Langga, ha? Langga, make the day. Ang sarap. Ayan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Langga, make the day. I love you. More blessing to come and good health.